The United States insurance industry is one of the largest and most advanced in the world, providing financial protection and long-term security to individuals, families, and businesses. Built on strong regulatory frameworks, innovation, and customer trust, U.S. insurance companies offer a wide range of solutions, including life, health, property, casualty, and commercial insurance. Their mission is to safeguard assets, manage risk, and support economic stability across the nation. New York Life offers a broad suite of life insurance, annuity, and related products that includes term life insurance, whole life insurance, universal life, and variable universal life. These annuities are available in fixed, indexed, variable, and immediate forms. Along with disability income insurance, long-term care solutions, hybrid life and long-term care products, group benefit solutions, workplace plans, and structured settlements. Each of these product families has multiple subvariants and riders, so buyers can select options for conversion, accelerated death benefits, waiver of premium, guaranteed insurability, long-term care protection, income riders, and investment allocation in variable accounts. New York Life also provides service forms online to manage beneficiary changes, transfers of ownership, partial withdrawals, and claims-related paperwork. The company publishes product prospectuses and fact sheets so consumers can review detailed terms and charges before they buy. The financial strength of New York Life has been affirmed by all four major rating agencies, with AM Best assigning its highest A rating, Moody's assigning AAAS and P assigning AA+, and Fitch assigning AAA. These ratings reflect the agency's view that the company has one of the strongest abilities in the industry to meet policyholder obligations and future claims. The ratings have been reaffirmed in recent public statements and press releases from both the company and the agencies. As a mutual company, New York Life is owned by its policyholders rather than public shareholders, which often incentivizes conservative reserve management and long-term solvency planning. The financial strength of New York Life has been affirmed by all four major rating agencies, with AM Best assigning its highest A rating, Moody's assigning AAS and P assigning AA+, and Fitch assigning AAA. These ratings reflect the agency's view that the company has one of the strongest abilities in the industry to meet policyholder obligations and future claims. The ratings have been reaffirmed in recent public statements and press releases from both the company and the agencies. As a mutual company, New York Life is owned by its policyholders rather than public shareholders, which often incentivizes conservative reserve management and long-term solvency planning. The costs and fees for New York Life products depend heavily on the product chosen and on the individual applicant profile, such as age, health, and benefit level. For term life insurance, the primary cost is the level premium for the term period, while whole life and universal life policies involve premium schedules, policy fees, and potential cash value accumulation. Cash value may be accessed through policy loans or withdrawals, which accrue interest and may reduce the death benefit if unpaid. Permanent policies also often include surrender charges for early termination, for variable universal life and variable annuities. Additional fee layers include mortality and expense charges, administrative fees, and underlying fund expense ratios disclosed in product prospectus, the Premier Variable Annuity to Fact Sheet and Prospectus list explicit M&E charge structures, including level fees or traditional account value-based charges that may step down after surrender periods end. Exact fee amounts vary by product issue, date, and contract form, making the prospectus the legal source for current schedules. Prospective buyers should review both the main prospectus and separate account fund prospectuses to understand all investment level expenses. Consumers seeking exact fee numbers should request a policy illustration or annuity prospectus for the specific product. Policy illustrations show projected premiums, cash value accumulation, surrender charges, and sample loan scenarios, while prospectuses disclose M&E charges, administrative fees, surrender schedules, and investment expenses. Optional riders may add additional costs, making rider descriptions essential reading. Comparing illustrations under realistic scenarios helps ensure accurate expectations. Claim settlement history can be evaluated through public complaint metrics such as the NAIC complaint. In state-level listings, New York Life has appeared with complaint indices below 1.00 in certain jurisdictions, indicating fewer complaints relative to market share. The company also publishes corporate responsibility materials discussing complaint ratios, customer satisfaction, and retention. These disclosures show tracking of complaints, claims, ratios, and internal service metrics. Like other large insurers, New York Life has been involved in litigation and regulatory matters from time to time. Consumers concerned about legal history should review court dockets, regulatory enforcement databases, and company press releases. The specific terms of any customer contract are defined by the policy form, riders, and attached prospectuses. These documents constitute the legal agreement and include definitions, premium provisions, grace periods, incontestability clauses, suicide clauses, beneficiary rules, settlement options, and dispute resolution terms.